If you drop a chicken from 10,000 meters, can it land safely? Everyone knows that chickens have not completely lost their flying ability. They can still fly up to a branch or a wall, and flying down from a rooftop is a piece of cake. So if we drop a chicken from 10,000 meters, it might not die from the fall, right? Let's not talk about whether it would survive the fall or not. It's very likely that it would be frozen to death almost immediately after it starts to descend, because at an altitude of 10,000 meters above sea level, the temperature is about 30 degrees Celsius, even if it's a hot summer day at sea level. Despite being covered in feathers, it would be frozen into 100 pieces by the cold. Even if the chicken was naturally cold resistant, the extremely low oxygen levels at that altitude would cause it to suffocate and faint. So let's assume that the chicken is unaffected by the surrounding environment. At the moment it is thrown, it would instinctively flap its wings to slow down its fall, and it might even manage to fly a little bit. But since chickens have limited stamina, when it gets exhausted, it would just fall freely. Once the air resistance equals the force of gravity, the chicken would reach a terminal velocity of about 190 meters per second. At this speed, it would be crushed upon impact. However, if the chicken were particularly smart and conserved its energy, it could spread its wings right after being thrown and glide slowly. When it is 20 or 30 meters from the ground, it could flap its wings again to land safely. But if it is unlucky and lands in the sea, that would be a different story. Follow me for the next episode, where I will discuss what would happen if oil suddenly ran out.